All right, when you're trying to find the polynomial with a given degree with given zeros, really the big thing is if these are our zeros in our polynomial, then we always know that x minus those zeros is always a factor. So if I want to go ahead and find the polynomial, I'll just start with f of x, because that's what it wants to be, f of x, and I have all four zeros. That's the important thing. Degree 4 means there are 4 different zeros, and I have them all listed. So I'll just simply write them all as x minus their number. So x minus negative 9, and then x minus 1, and then x minus negative 3, and then x minus 0, you can write it as x minus 0. It's just typically x. So if I clean these up, we have the two negatives, which becomes a positive. This one's still negative. This one becomes positive. And then x minus 0 is just x. So you could put it there. A lot of times people will like to put it out front here, just to put the x first. It honestly doesn't matter. Either way is fine. But that would be our polynomial with those zeros. I don't have to FOIL it because it says leave in factored form. So this would be it.